Hey there, I'm Kari from Chalk Couture and I want to show you something awesome. It is the newest starter kit. Fresh with all the new spring selections, and though it looks like a simple box, it is actually a creator's dream. It includes our revolutionary and versatile chalk paste and transfers, and the opportunity for you to create the decor, the business, and even the life you've always dreamed of. When you create and then share the beautiful projects in this kit, not only can you make pretty things, you'll see the potential of this amazing product set, and you can empower others to do the same. Let's take a look inside. Chalk Couture transfers make it easy to quickly create high-end designs and come in a variety of sizes. We've included 2 of our most popular sizes, A and B, in your kit, each of which was specifically chosen to help you complete gorgeous finished projects that you can keep, share on social media, or even sell as finished goods. Best of all the transfers in our kit are perfectly paired with the surfaces that are included. This transfer is the B-sized Whole Lot of Love, and it's perfect because I think it is a description that fits almost every family. It's a cute evergreen design that you could customize for any home. This piece is framed perfectly on our Aiden surface and Chalkology Paste in bright white and sage. In addition to those colors, our signature Couture Teal and Couture Coral and the bright and happy Bumblebee Yellow round out a hand-picked decor-focused palette that feels like a perfect welcome for a much-needed spring. Our Chalkology Paste is a dreamy miracle that goes on quick and easy and dries to a hard, matte finish on almost any surface, and it stays put until you're ready to wash it off, so you can design, love, and repeat to your heart's content. This A-sized Sunshine on My Mind transfer shows off some of those other beautiful colors and is right at home on our top-selling surface, the double-sided, oh so affordable board and base. You can even design it vertically or horizontally, perfect for the other 5x7 transfer, meals and memories. And last, but definitely not least, the all-whiz darling, Chalkable Chips. These petite powerhouses are made from our durable, reusable boutique surface and are absolutely perfect for sharing your new creative passion. These Hello Summer Minis will make a big splash as the perfect sample set for your friends and family as they give chalking a try. With a little creativity, a little time, and a little determination, you can take what's in this beautiful box and create something wonderful. We'll show you how. If you're ready to join the high-end DIY revolution and start living the creative career you've always imagined, contact your Chalk Couture designer or visit chalkcouture.com and we'll help you get started today.